So I'm back after an hour and blood pressure is still fine. The next thing I want to check for is if it retains pressure within the line after the power source is stopped, and for how long. And usually you have some cars that have delayed startup in the mornings, and that's because they lose pressure within the line. All the pressure goes back into the fuel pump after the vehicle is turned off. So I'm going to take off the power. Pressure is going to drop. It should remain between 30 or 40 psi, so that way when next you want to start the car, it starts up immediately. So let's see how long. I'm just going to keep it like for an hour and see if fuel pressure drops. If fuel pressure drops without power, or too much fuel pressure drops without power, it still tells me there's an issue with the fuel pump or fuel pump assembly. But because this particular customer didn't have an issue with delayed startup, we're not really going to bother with that on this particular diagnosis. So just for the record, if you have the dial dropping, drops after a while, just know that I still have an issue there. It's not always about having good fuel pressure readings, it's about retaining that pressure within the line. Yeah.